Well, welcome back to Mariposa Makeup 13, and I am back to bring you Ipsy Glam Bag and also the BoxyCharm by Ipsy. And today is July 6th, and we are so lucky to get it right at the beginning of the month. So let's get into it. And also to this month, there's a bonus. There's my refreshments. So that is I'm gonna show you, but that is, I think it's a razor with a cream. I'll show you the kit and everything. Everything is looking amazing. I already had small little peeks here and there, but let's get into the fun part. Let's open our Ipsy bag. So like you guys know, it comes in an envelope, and let's see how the bag of this month looks. And it is really cute little bag here. It's like a little, oh, the design has butterflies, and it's like one of those that you could tighten them up and have on the go, like not the regular bags that they usually have with a zipper. So this is really cute, and let's open it up and let's see. So remember, for the Ipsy Glam Bag, that is $13 a month, and it is 5 deluxe samples. So the first item I have here in my hand, this is from Lollids London, and this is a small this is a it has 4 eyeshadows in small little palettes, and it is really gorgeous. The shades, look at that, look at the shimmers, and look at the mattes. Like definitely perfect to have on the go. And I know I will be putting this in good use because I love shimmers and mattes, and I think it's something that you could actually have something like, if you don't want to create a complicated look, I think this one will look amazing for everybody. And the next item will be, this is from Trifle Cosmetics, and this is Jelly Juice Tinted Lip Glow. Whoa. Tinted lip glow. Tinted lips, I usually like the tinted lip products, and I definitely been into them as well recently. Look how cute the little size is, perfect. And let me see how, let's see. Oh, it's like a jelly texture. See, I don't know if you could see, it's like a jelly texture. Oh, and it smells, I think it smells like berry. Let me try to like, yeah, it's like a lip oil. See, and I don't know, like I think probably might have to like give it like a little tiny little shake probably, because the color is there, but it's like, you see it's on the, where the applicator comes out, right? But it has this nice berry scent, so I kind of love that. And yeah, this is like my second item from the Ipsy, and I really love it. And the third item is, this is like I think like a liquid, yes, a liquid pencil. So this is like a liquid eyeliner, and this is in color black, but I'm trying to figure out, this is the liquid pencil, and I think it's called Shades by Shane. This is the brand, and this is, ooh, look at that. Whoa, that is nice, the eyeliner. I usually like liquid eyeliner, and I actually ran out of them, of like liquid eyeliner, so this really comes perfect timing for me. So the next item, oh my goodness, this, you guys, this is incredible. I got the e.l.f. grip primer. I actually never tried it, but I do have to tell you something funny, that recently over the weekend I went to the pharmacy and I had to go pick up some stuff with my family, and I actually purchased the green one. So now I will have the green one, which is so popular. I've heard so much and I've seen a lot about it on TikTok and stuff. Now I will get to try the new one, because I heard this is a new one, and this one has 4% niacinamide, so definitely a go. I am excited to give both of them a try, but definitely love how I heard how they makes the makeup last longer, and I usually always make sure to use a primer so my makeup does stay on longer. And the last item will be, oh, look at this, is such a cute brush. It is so like, wow, it's so cute, and it looks amazing, and I love little stones, like definitely looks perfect. And this brush right here, I know for a fact that this brush, it says here it's a concealer brush, and this is from Shimmy Miss Glam, I think that's the brand. So yeah, this is really amazing what I received from my Ipsy glam bag. So now we're gonna go to the boxycharm by Ipsy. So let's see what's in there. And definitely I love what I received for this month. So now let's go into the Ipsy, the boxycharm by Ipsy. So they have, I really wanted to show you guys, they have a new packaging. The box usually I think was just pink. I'm not sure with the, I think with the Ipsy. So I really wanted to show you that they have like a, it's like a new design, a new, like, you can see it says glam bag, boxycharm, and then the icon box, and then now refreshments, which is a bonus that we got this month, and I'm going to show you guys after I open up this beauty here. And let's open her up and see what we got in the boxycharm by Ipsy. This is so exciting. I'm always excited to see what I get. And wow, the first item I got here, it is this is vitamin E face moisturizer, and this is Mali plus Goldsy, or I don't know how you pronounce it good, but this is a moisturizer, so this is definitely good. Perfect timing because I usually use a lot of moisturizer. I think I'm like always on top of that. I'm using moisturizer, body care, like I always making sure that I use all those products. So the next item, and remember the boxycharm by Ipsy, that is $28 per month, and I will obviously make sure that I have the details in the bottom. I always try to double make sure that I have the information for you guys to see, just in case you're interested in getting this amazing subscription, because it's really a great opportunity, because you get so many skincare, you get makeup, you get a little bit of everything. So I definitely recommend you guys to join, because you do not want to miss opportunity, especially since I think soon is going to be the next icon box. And I'm telling you, if you should want to see what I received in the first icon box, which I think was in May, check out my video, because it was definitely a worth opportunity, because it was really amazing the stuff I received in it. So now let's go to the second item of the boxycharm by Ipsy, and this is from Earth Harbor, and this is marine bio brightening amp, yeah, like a serum, right? That's a serum. And whoa, look how beautiful that is. I think I might have tried, I think, 2 products from them. I'm not sure if it was a cleansing balm or a cleanse or a balm, something like that, but from this brand, and I liked it, and I was actually hoping to try some new products, and this is one of them, which is nice. I got it in the box, and perfect opportunity to expand and try other products, because you never know if you know are hoping to purchase more from that brand. And that's why I love getting a subscription box, and this is really nice. Let's go for the next product. So the third item in my boxycharm by Ipsy would be, this is the clear brow gel, and this is Wing Me. So let's open her up. But basically, definitely comes really in handy for me, because as you can see, I don't really need pencil and all the brow products, but I do need something to keep my eyebrows to stay in put, and this brow gel will be perfect for me. And I love how nice the packaging is, and look at the nice applicator, which will be perfect for me for applying on and keeping my brows there in place. So now let's go for the fourth item in the box, and this would be from the Beauty Crop, and this is a lip kit. So this is really nice. It comes with the lip pencil, yeah, the lip pencil, and the lip color, liquid lip color. So the shade looks beautiful. As you can see, it looks like a nice, like a mixed brown nude, perfect for every day. And I definitely am excited, because I really wanted to get some lip color in my box, and this is really a bonus, a nice bonus. And the last product, oh, this is pretty heavy. I never expected it. It's an eyeshadow palette, and this is from Ciel London, and this is Brazilian Glow eyeshadow palette, and look how big and huge this palette is. So let's open her up and let's see, because I think last month I got like a small eyeshadow, like the same like in my Ipsy, like kind of that size with the 4 shades inside. So let's see how, oh wow, look how beautiful that It is full. It is full of it has mattes, it has shimmers, and it's just definitely gorgeous. Like, I definitely am excited to give this a try. And luckily it came kind of like I was gonna say in good shape. Like, maybe here it's kind of pressed, like almost a little bit kind of like almost broken, but I kind of now fixed it pressing it in. But it looks amazing. Definitely am excited to give this a try because everything else is perfect condition. So definitely I'm gonna be creating a look with this gorgeous eyeshadow palette, which is really nice. It's a nice big one because it has a different colors and stuff. Like, definitely really nice, great surprise to get in the box. And these are my 5 items, and now I'm gonna show you what is called my refreshments that was added to this month for the Ipsy, and I'm gonna show you right now. And it's a bonus that we got, and let me get it right now. Oh, here it is. It comes in a nice cute bag as well as like the Ipsy, the same. And let me show you what it is. It's this dazzling 5 blade razor kit. So this is really nice, the kit, the color and everything. And this is how it comes. So this is the handle for the razor, and it comes with 2, like 2 for you to apply on to use, right, the refills. And then it comes with this handle here, as you can see here, the handle. That's what you put in your shower, so you could stick it on because it's magnetic. It will stick on the handle. It's pretty heavy, like the handle, so it can stick on because it has a magnetic, and you will not drop your razor and have it there handy so when you need it. And also in the bag, I forgot, I'm going to show you guys, it comes with the shaving cream. See, a nice good size of the shaving cream. So like I'm gonna say, I definitely think it's worth it, and this is really, I think, new to the description. So like I'm saying, this month is definitely amazing. I got a little bit of everything. I got an eyeshadow palette big enough to create looks and stuff, and nice lip pencil with lip color, and yeah, so many nice items that I definitely get excited to be in this great opportunity for the subscription box. And I am excited that we are in summertime, so that's why I'm thinking, like, you know what, we have to enjoy this gorgeous weather, and I hope you guys are having an amazing day and enjoying some time outdoors and anything. Do you guys have anything special plans? Let me know in the comments below. And if also you enjoy this video, let me know what you received this month in your Ipsy. And we will be back here soon, shortly. I hope I could bring some other content, which I'm gonna try my best to, as soon as I could squeeze in more time. But thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys all take care. Bye bye.